Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super exciting video for you guys, and I'm going to be trying out for the first time the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Look at it, it's already glowing from the palette outside. By the way, please mind this hair, I don't know what the hell's going on with it. I just received this today and I thought let me just put like a quick base on and let me just try this on for you guys. Even though I am revising for exams, I still want to get videos out for you guys, and this has got me so excited that I just had to come and film it for you. So I got this palette off Cult Beauty. I literally woke up, saw the email that was available and just ordered it straight away. I have the Golden Sands edition. There is, I believe, a lighter one. I got the darker one. It does come with 4 shades. There's Fiji, Seychelles, Tahiti and Zanzibar. Love the names. And yeah, it just looks absolutely stunning. Like, it just by looking at it, I'm just so excited. So yeah, I've got my bronzer on and now I'm just gonna try this on. It does have a 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So there's prep, set, sculpt and flush. I'm gonna touch Fiji first. It's so pigmented. I didn't even dip it that much in. So that's Fiji. Look how stunning it looks. I feel so bad dipping my fingers in this palette. So Seychelles is a powder and this is what it looks like against Fiji. Stunning. And they're not like too glittery, they're like smooth as hell. So now I'm going to try Tahiti, this one right here, Tahiti right there, that darker one. I think I'm gonna love Tahiti. So the last one, Zanzibar, is kind of like the blush color, slight pink tone to it, but still has that highlighter effect. So yeah, those are like the swatches. So stunning, look at that. So I'm gonna grab a bit of Fiji right here and apply this on my cheeks. I don't know if I should use my fingers or I'm gonna use my beauty blender. When it comes to cream highlight, I just love to use my beauty blender. But it's Fiji is so intense though. This is just dabbing my beauty blender in the product itself like so. Just doing that and then dabbing it on. But look, oh, that is just Fiji. I really love it. Look at it, it's so pretty. Now I'm gonna grab Seychelles. It says dab Seychelles from cheek to temple, cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. So I'm just gonna grab that. Oh my lord. Oh! Let me just hold my horses a little bit. God, look at that. I'm gonna apply a bit on the nose, my temples. I'm gonna be glowing to the high heavens. I am so... Guys, look at that damn glow. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab Tahiti. Tahiti is... So it says on here, apply Tahiti under cheekbones to add dimension and shape. So I've already got bronzer, but let me just put it on there anyways. I can see like it's adding, it's definitely adding to my bronzer. Like I could wear that as a bronzer. That's Tahiti really. I already had bronzer to be honest, so, but I feel like it would be such a nice like all over glow if you are in summer, especially like if you just want to apply that all over your skin. Oh my god, it will look so nice. And then I'm going to use Zanzibar as my blush. So it says sweep Zanzibar on the apples of your cheeks for a healthy glow. Personally, I don't know if it's because I put too much of the highlighter, Seychelles. I don't know if I put too much, but basically when I put Zanzibar, like you can only see like a slight, like you can't even see it on camera, but you can only see like a slight pink. It's barely there on my skin tone. I mean, you can only see a bit of it, but it's basically like, it's got gold reflex in it, kind of. It looks like that. so it gives like a bit of a gold sheen to the cheeks, but it definitely blends with the highlight, so it adds to the all over glow. I think the concept is so cool, and it definitely gives that like 3D effect because of the cream and the highlight on top. Like it just makes it like pop so much. So my overall thoughts on it: is it worth the £40? Yes ma'am. I was a bit skeptical at first, like I don't know, like I don't even have any of the glow kits from Anastasia, like I don't even have any like high-end highlighting palettes, so this was definitely a big step for me personally, because I was bruh. Is it worth it? Am I happy? I am so happy, like right now, like it looks so nice. Oh, and by the way, if you guys are wondering, I am wearing Girlfriend on my lips today. It's a new one in her, was it a nude collection. I got it, it's a bit light for me, but I put a LA Girl True Brown lip liner around. I just put Huda Beauty Girlfriend all over my lips, and it makes your lips look so plump. If you're a highlight junkie like me and you just love your glow, definitely give this a go, because it's so worth it. And you don't always have to have like that beaming blinding highlight. You can always get like a soft one if you just use it sparingly, and that's what I love. It's going to last me ages, and I'm so happy. Packaging feels super sturdy, you're paying for quality, and she obviously knows her stuff. Like it's definitely a good product. I only have the palette to get now. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Let me know what your thoughts are if you did order it and you got it and you tried it. If you guys want to see more videos like this where I'm trying out products for the first time, let me know. I definitely had fun filming this. I can't stop looking at the highlight in the screen, like it's catching my eye. Anyways, I'm gonna head off. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button if you did enjoy it, and subscribe if you're new to my channel. Welcome to the family. My name's Anushka, if you don't know my name yet, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.